chords. When you're done with your focused practice, I want you to zoom all the way out, and we're going to play it through start to finish, and I want to give you some options. You're either going to chord along with me, don't worry about the strum. You're going to strum along with me, don't worry about the chords. You're going to sing along and dance because you're still working that rhythm into your body, right? Or you're going to try that chord and the strum together. And it will be of no surprise to me if you get it for a little bit and then you don't. And then you get it for a little bit and then you don't. That is very normal. And I would take the win of getting it at all then rather than worrying about when you're not getting it. That's a very natural progression. You're not going to, go from 0 to fluency in a language. You're not going to go from not getting it to suddenly getting it all the time. So take that win. Whew, take a big breath. And let's give it a try. Play it all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2. We come from the fire, living in the fire. Go back to the fire, turn the world around. We come from the fire, living in the fire. Go back to the fire, turn the world around. We come from the fire, go back to the fire, turn between verses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Water. We come from the water, living in the water. Go back to the water, turn the world around. We come from the water, living in the water. Go back to the water, turn the world around. We come from the water, go back to the water, turn the world around. Take a breath. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We come from the mountain, living in the mountain. Go back to the mountain, turn the world around. We come from the mountain, living in the mountain. Go back to the mountain, turn the world around. We come from the mountain, go back to the mountain, turn the world around, and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's an interlude and the chorus. Oh, so is life. Ah, so is life. Oh, so is life. Ah, so is life. Do you know who I am? Do I know who you are? See me one another clearly. Do we know who we are? Do you know who I am? Do I know who you are? See we one another clearly. Do we know who we are? 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2. Here's another verse. Water make the river, river wash the mountain, fire make the sunlight turn the world around. Heart is of the river, body is the mountain, spirit is the sunlight, turn the world around. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are of the spirit, truly of the spirit. Only can the spirit turn Only can the Spirit turn the world around. Do you know who I am? Do I know who you are? Do we one another clearly? Do we know who we are? Do you know who I am? Do I know who you are? See we one another clearly. Do we know who we are? Oh, so is life. Ah, so is life. Oh, so is life. Ah, so is life. Last time. Gosh, hard to know how to get off of that carousel, isn't it? Some eagle-eyed listeners will probably notice a few mistakes that I made in there because I'm learning this song right along with you. But it does get that repetition can be so helpful, but it's very easy to kind of lose your stepping a little bit. Keep it going. Keep that 5 count nice and steady. Lyrical variations are welcome in the folk, going along with that folky tradition. I'm sure Harry would understand. Thank you so much for joining me playing through this song. I want to reiterate, you can come back, practice it with me anytime you need, using any layers you would like. Just the chords, nothing else. Just the strum, nothing else. Just your singing and dancing, no instrument at all. So many ways to internalize both the song and the basic rhythm that makes it as beautiful as it is, in my humble opinion. So thanks for taking the risk. Thanks for trying hard things. I hope it's rewarding. I really think this song makes that hard work worth it. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy your practice of this song.